Today's video is all about wearing the right kind of makeup so that you can look great in photographs. Sometimes, photographs can turn out to make us look rather unflattering. And that turns out to be quite an unpleasant surprise because we really didn't think we looked that bad in real life. Photographs are always going to be around, and they are the ones that help create and keep memories forever. So it's probably worth the effort to make sure we look our best in photos. Apart from using a great camera, shooting from the correct angles, using the right kind of lighting, etc., there are also a few makeup tips that you can keep in mind to make sure that your photographs come out beautifully. 1. Always use a primer. If you usually skip using a primer as part of your everyday makeup routine, then you have to make sure to use it this time around. Using a primer will really help even out your skin tone, minimize pores, and allow your foundation to sit evenly and smoothly on your skin. If you skip primer, then it's quite likely that those tiny bumps and other unevenness on your skin will show up in your photographs. 2. Stick to matte and non-shimmery finishes. You may love your dewy and glowy foundation and shimmery and glittery eyeshadows, but these really aren't ideal for photography. If your skin is prone to dryness, I would recommend using an ultra-hydrating moisturizer and a hydrating primer, but your foundation should have a demi-matte, satin, or matte finish. A foundation with a dewy or glowy finish can make your skin look dull, tired, and oily, especially if there's flash photography involved. As for eyeshadows and highlighters, try avoiding those with too much shimmer or chunky glitter, as they can really age your skin in photographs. Stick to a matte or satin finish. 3. Use an HD foundation that does not contain SPF. Along with the finish, the quality of your foundation plays a huge role in making your skin look great in photographs. For the upcoming party season where there is going to be a lot of photographs, I would really recommend investing in a high-definition, HD foundation that photographs really well. You will also need to make sure that it is free of SPF, as that can leave a whitish cast on your face if there's going to be flash photography. 4. Apply your makeup in natural light. Another tip that I find super useful is to apply your makeup in as natural a setting as you can. If you can't use a natural light, then try mimicking the lighting of the place where your photographs will be taken. This will help you make sure that you don't go overboard with the pigments in your makeup or don't end up using colors and finishes that won't look great in the setting. 5. Use a yellow tone finishing powder. Finally, it is important to set your makeup in place so that it doesn't get greasy and it doesn't budge and smear. Using a yellow tone translucent finishing powder to set your makeup is ideal, as it instantly makes your face look more radiant and youthful. This tone of translucent powder also photographs exceptionally well. 6. Apply makeup on the neck too. When you apply makeup just on your face and keep the neck area bare, in photographs, it becomes too apparent. Always use the same shade of foundation on your face and neck so that the skin looks even-toned even in flash photography. 7. Apply mascara to open up your eyes. If you want your eyes to look bright and in focus, do not skip mascara. A good mascara opens up the eyes and gives you a more wide-awake appearance in pictures. 8. Fill in eyebrows. Women often tend to ignore giving much importance to their brows. Filling up brows helps add definition and youthfulness to the face, but do not opt for stark black eyebrow pencils. Use brown shades to get a natural look. By making these small modifications in the makeup you choose to wear, you can make sure that your photographs turn out to be as flattering as you want them to be. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you were a little help with this video. Comment us below.